Hey there, travelers. If you're tired of worrying about your luggage being tampered with while going through airport security, then you need to check out these TSA-approved cable luggage locks. These locks are perfect for anyone who wants to make sure their belongings stay safe and secure on their travels. With a resettable combination and a durable alloy body, you can rest easy knowing your luggage is protected. Picture this: you're at the airport, getting ready to board your flight. You lock up your suitcase with one of these TSA-approved cable luggage locks and breeze through security without a second thought. Your belongings are safe and you can focus on enjoying your trip worry-free. Don't wait until it's too late. Grab yourself a set of these reliable luggage locks today. Your next adventure will thank you.